what order should we be making our phone calls in? I got to figure it out. You don't have to think about it. Easy peasy. All right. So just listen to the rest of this video and I'm going to make your life so much easier. First off, the first thing you want to call are the brand new expireds. That's the brand new expireds because you figure you're going to call 8 o'clock in the morning because we know legally we are not allowed to call before 8 o'clock in the morning. So you call those because you know as well as I do, by the time 9, 10, 11 o'clock rolls around, those expireds have been contacted 1,736 times. Maybe a few less than that, but you get my point of what I'm trying to get across here. So expireds, brand new expireds, first thing to call. It's your best opportunity to get in for that listing. Okay. Second is day one for sale by owners. In another video, what we'll discuss is the script that I utilize to be able to contact brand new for sale by owners on day one, because a lot of people are like, we should wait, or they're not ready to do anything. So sit tight. In another video, we'll discuss that. Then we're going to go through expireds. We're going to do day 1 to 7. All right. Day 1 to 7 on expireds. Then we're going to circle back to our for sale by owners and we're going to do day 1 to 7 on for sale by owners. So if you guys are with me here, day 1 expireds, day 1 for sale by owners, day 1 to 7 expireds, day 1 to 7 for sale by owners. Then after that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do our most urgent lead follow-up. Those are the people you need to get in touch with like right now because we want to make sure those didn't get lost in the shuffle. That should, depending on your market, get you through like 1 hour to 2 hours, which is going to leave you an additional hour where you can do kind of whatever you like. Kind of get it. You can do some circle prospecting. You can contact day 30 to 60. You can get back into some of your old lead follow-up. But don't overthink that last hour. Go with kind of whatever you want to be calling at that given point, because in my opinion, we want to control that first hour to 2 hours because we all know that we only get 2 to 3 hours of lead generation on a daily basis. So we want to make it as worth your time as humanly possible. So we want to call those hottest leads first, the second hottest leads second, and the third hottest leads third. Hopefully everybody's with me so far, because at the end, the beginning, and the middle of the day, we have 3 hours to make money. And this is the 3 hours that you need to be on point, ready to roll and get this thing going.